Hey everyone, Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you our 250 Sunliner. This is by Harris Float Boats. It's a great pontoon, really a tri-toon because it has 3 tubes in it. First thing I want to show you is the seating on the starboard side. There's tons of storage throughout this boat. All these seats lift up and have storage in them. Helps it with the water draining because it doesn't go into the storage compartment and actually goes over the side and over the side of the boat. In the sides here we also have these lighted cup holders and these cell phone holders, very conveniently placed. Heading towards the back, I want to point out that this is our single rear lounger option. So you can sit facing forward as you're underway, or you can go ahead and anchor up, then switch this backwards and be sun lounging back here. It's pretty nice. It is a Sunliner boat, so you want to catch some rays in it. This boat does come with double bimini option, and it will protect you from the shade if that's what you'd like to. Again, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us.